Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. Today we're going to cover mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is second moment of area bound by curves. Let's get straight into it. Okay, what we're going to do is first we have to find our formulas that we are going to use for this. Our formulas are y is equal to x plus 8 and y equals minus 12 over x. Okay, now I'm going to draw the graph. Now the graph, the question says that the graph is in the second quadrant. So it's a small graph. Now that's minus 8, and that is 8. Okay. So, this hyperbola is your minus 12 over x, and your straight line is your x plus 8, because your y-intercept is at 8. So, what we need to do now is go through and get the points of intersection, which is here, which is there, and there. We need to find those points of intersection. I guess I didn't show you. The points of intersection there and there. Okay, so to get those points of intersection, what we need to do is take y is equal to y. So x plus 8 equals minus 12 over x. So, over and under stories now. So, under is divide, so you multiply. So you multiply by the whole thing. So x times x is x squared, plus 8x equals minus 12. Next step, bring the minus 12 in, x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Now we factorize x plus 6, x plus 2. The reason I did that, and I will teach you a little trick on how to do these. What two numbers add together to give you 8, but multiply to give you 12? That's the trick. So, what adds to give you the middle number, but multiplies to give you the end number? So it's 6 and 2. Because our, let's just do this quickly. What are the factors of 12? 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 3, 4. And that's it. There's 3 factors for 12. Now, of any of these, when you add them together, will they give you 8? When you add them together, will they give you 8? Or minus them or whatever. But do you get any of these that will give you 8 at this point? So, equals 12 plus 1 is 13. That's not 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. So, 8 is the correct answer for this particular one. Okay, so x equals minus 6 and x equals minus 2. Now we put this back into one of the original sums. It's easier with the 8. So minus 6 plus 8 equals plus 2. And then minus 2 plus 8 equals plus 6. Okay, so our coordinates for our intercept is minus 6 and 2. The coordinates are minus 2 and 6. Okay, now from what I know is that the reason we chose to use the y coordinates is because the y coordinates are positive. That is why we're using the y coordinates, because they are positive. But even if it's bound by the x-axis or whatever, it doesn't matter. We still can use either coordinates. But in this case, it's easier using, whenever you try and get your integrals and your limits on your integrals, always try and make it a positive number at the top. The top number must always be positive as far as you can make it. Because that takes a lot. So, now what we do is we have our coordinates. Now, our d times x equals y squared x2 minus x1. Okay, so what we're left with is equal to y squared, the integral of y squared, times minus 12 over y minus x plus 8. Okay, so what we need to do now is multiply my mistake. I forgot to say it is actually y minus 8. Very important. Because what we have to do is make everything equal to x. So x comes to the top, so y equals minus 12 over x. Let's make x the subject of the formula. So multiply by x, yx equals minus 12. Y times x, so then we bring the y down, divided by y, divided by y. Cancels and you're left with y over, and that's x. So, and then y equals 8 x plus 8. So, x is positive, so it stays there. So it's y minus 8 equals x. That's how I got these two here at the top. Simple formula manipulation. Simple formula manipulation. So, now we multiply y squared in. So that'll be integral of 6 and 2, and that'll be minus 12y, because multiply by y squared divided by y squared divided by y is positive, is y at the top. So, minus y times y is y cubed plus 8y. Alright, so we multiplied through and we multiplied the minus through. So that became minus y cubed, because y times y squared times y is y cubed, and minus times a positive is a minus, Minus times a minus is a plus. So it's 8y squared. So, let's integrate. Minus 12y squared over 2 minus y 4 over 4 plus 8y cubed over 3. 6 and 2. Alright, now what we need to do is just put 6 in the place of y and 2 in place of y and see what we get. 12 times 6 squared over 2 minus y minus 6 to the power 4 over 4 plus 8 over 3 times 6 cubed. Minus 12 times 2 minus 2 over 4 plus 8 over 3 plus 2 squared cubed. Okay, you put each one separately into your calculator and then you will get this answer. You will get 42,667. The answer to this is 42,667 units to the power 4. Units to the power 4. Now, all we have to do now is calculate the area. So we take this away and we calculate area. All we have to do x2 minus x1. Okay, so that's all we have to do. There's nothing to multiply by. That's 6 and 2. So 6 and 2. Now this is minus 12 over y minus y plus 8. Okay, always take your signs into account. Always take your signs into account. Never ever drop them. So now all we have to do is integrate each term. So each term integrated will be minus 12 ln y minus y squared over 2 plus 8y. 6 and 2. Alright, so minus 12 ln to the power 6 minus 6 over 2 squared, over 2 plus 8 times 6, all in a bracket, minus bracket minus 12 ln 2 minus squared over 2 plus 8 times 2. Okay. And our answer that we come up with equals 2,817. 2,817 units squared. So area area 2,817 units squared. Alright, so now all we have to do is say 42,667 divided by 2,817 times A. Alright, so our answer will be equal to 15,146A units to the power 4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.